Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to see injecting a prototype bean into a singleton bean. So to explain this, I have created one Spring Boot demo project on which we have created one controller. The controller name is Hello controller, and we have created one get mapping. The get mapping URL is /hello, and we are creating one method. The method name is hello. The hello method return hello from Spring Boot. After that, we have created one class. The class name is employee. Now we just annotated with that class with add component annotation. We added add component annotation so that the bean of this class should be created, and we will change the scope of the bean from this singleton to prototype by using with the help of add scope annotation. The default scope is singleton. Now we are going to change the default type singleton to prototype. Now we will try to inject this employee class, which is type prototype in the nature, to the hello controller. The hello controller is default scope is singleton because we are using the default scope. So we will try to inject by using at Autowired annotation. We will see how it will behave. Now I am injecting the employee component in REST controller. For that I am using at Autowired annotation. Get Autowired employee reference is employee. Import the employee from com.example.component package. Within this hello method, I am going to get the hash code of that employee class. For that I am using system.out.println employee dot hash code. Now save it. In application.properties, I am adding the port number 9898. Let's try to run the application. Run as Java application. It will take some time to run the application. Let's see, application started with the port number 9898. Let's check in localhost colon 9898. Our REST endpoint is /hello. Click on enter. Whenever you hit this URL, we are getting the hash code of that employee. We are getting one hash code. Let's try to hit the more times. In console we are getting same reference, same hash code value. If you could see, each and every time it will returning the same hash code. So that it means whenever we try to injecting the prototype bean into the singleton by using this Autowired annotation, it will return the same hash code. Now we will see how we can inject this prototype bean into the singleton bean, and it should behave like a prototype only, not singleton. So that we are going to use one more annotation. Basically that annotation is Autowired. Instead of Autowired we are using at lookup annotation. Now I am going to comment this code. Here I am going to use get lookup annotation. Here I am going to create one method, that is public employee get pin is my method. Hello method, this get pin initially written null. Hello method, I am removing employee.hashcode. Instead of employee.hashcode, I am going to use get bean method dot hashcode method. Now clear the console. Again start the application. Run as Java application. Application started. Again application started with the port number 9898. Let's try to check in local. Try to hit the rest endpoint localhost colon 9898/hello. Hit the more times. Go to console again. Now we can see, now we are getting different hash code values. In this way we are going to inject prototype bean in singleton bean using with the help of yet lookup annotation. Thank you for watching. For more updates, please subscribe my channel.